Are you thinking about New Year's resolutions? There are a lot of reasons to want to become a successful language learner. Whatever is motivating you, here are 5 New Year's resolutions you can take so that you can become the best Spanish learner in the new year. First, read a book. Reading is one of the most important things to improve your writing and grammar skills. The more you read, the more you will understand. Second, find ways to use Spanish in your daily life. For example, set your phone to Spanish. Third, learn the most used words in Spanish. Fourth, watch your favorite TV shows and change the audio to Spanish. You can also listen to Spanish songs. And the last one, hire someone to teach you how to speak Spanish or practice with a friend. This is one of the best ways to keep you motivated. And you know that you can always learn Spanish with me by joining my program. So if you want to learn more about it, make sure to book a call with me. The link is down below. I hope you have found this video useful and see you in my next one. Bye!